because I feel like I see JBL speakers everywhere.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Like I said, someone walking down the street with a boombox.
Uh-huh.
You know, what is it about JBL that makes their speakers so popular for like everyday use?
Well, I think a big part of it is their reputation for durability.
Okay, yeah.
Like, they build these speakers to withstand pretty much anything.
Uh-huh.
You can take them hiking, you can take them to the beach,
Yeah.
and they'll just keep pumping out great sound.
I mean, I have to admit, I've definitely like dropped my JBL speaker a few times.
I think we all have.
Yeah.
And it's still going strong. Exactly.
Well, they're tough little things.
Yeah, they're built to last.